So, eto, nandito kami sa cabin, dalawa ni Mike. So, nag-overnight kami, 2 nights, treat niya ako. Ayan. Dito sa cabin, it's free lahat. Basta, bayaran mo yung per night mo, of course. Yan, may sarili silang pang barbecue for safety. And Mike is here. So, ito yung first honeymoon namin with barbecuing. Tsaka, ayun yung car ko. Nabili ko yung car na yan 2 days ago. Iba naman yung bangka kanina. So, ayan. It's good. Look. Barbecue area. So, meron silang tennis court. Meron silang mga bike. Ayan. Ang ganda. What time na, Mike?
Almost 10.
Yeah, 10. Yan.
Yeah.
Cabin lahat dito. Yan, pang social. So, bagay to sa akin cause I'm very fancy. So,
Oh, they got
yan.
bikes too here, right?
Yeah.
They're biking.
Okay, Mike, let's start the barbecue thing.
Did you turn it?
Called honeymoon.
That's a chipmunk.
No, that's a cat, Mike.
Oh, really?
Yes. What's that?
Yeah, see, I think that's
No,
chipmunk.
that's a dog. That's a dog. She had maybe, like a puppy, like, what is called that one?
Oh.
Oh, okay.
First, yeah, before we put our meat on there. Look at that.
Ayan, winawasan. Ayan, magbabarbecue kami, tig-isa kami. See? Ganyan siya ka-sweet sa akin.